Now, if you're on the hunt to buy your next iPhone and you want the best value for your money, then definitely consider this iPhone that I'm going to be talking about. So let's get started. And the iPhone that I'm talking about is the iPhone 15. Yes, the regular iPhone 15. Now this will be an amazing upgrade for anyone who owns an iPhone 12 and before. And why am I telling this here is an amazing deal right now? And the main reason is because of the huge price cut. So as of making this video, you can currently buy the iPhone 15 base model for 66,000 rupees. Now when it launched, it was around 80,000 rupees, and for that money, I would have definitely said, do not buy this right now. This here is an amazing deal, and especially you do get offers. Now, as of making this video, this is 66,000, but sometimes it goes up to 68, even 70,000 rupees. But you can definitely get it for cheap, and with bank offers, the prices will go even less. And why does this price cut make this an amazing deal? And that's because the iPhone 15 is a complete package when it comes to a smartphone. It gets most of the basics right for a smartphone. Now the 5 main things actually check here very well. So the performance, the A16 Bionic is an amazing processor. It was on the previous flagship and now that is transferred to this, and that makes this here a very powerful smartphone. You can play any game at this and it is not going to lag. There's not going to be any stutter. You're not going to face any heating issues. At least I haven't. So performance is going to be amazing here. Just throw anything at it and it can handle it. Second one, the camera is again a huge upgrade here because you get the brand new 48 megapixel sensor here. Of course, you don't get your fancy zoom and stuff like that. But the main camera itself here is an amazing camera. Even though you get a 12 megapixel output, it is from a 48 megapixel sensor, so more details. And as you can see from the images on screen right now, the camera here is really good, a very consistent camera. So photography shouldn't be an issue here. And of course, you know, videos are amazing on iPhones and that is applicable here too. Third reason is definitely the battery life. Here you can go the entire day without any issues. Now this here is a compact smartphone and people might misjudge thinking, okay, this doesn't have 5000 mAh battery or things like that. But you know, Apple controls both the hardware and software, so optimization is on point and the battery life is pretty good. For any heavy user and especially for light users, this here is going to give you very good battery life. And the fourth main reason is, of course, the design. Now the Apple iPhones all look really similar. You know, they have the updated design, so there's no more notch, rather it's the dynamic island, and it definitely looks modern. So in my books, I think this here is a huge win in terms of the build design, and even the slight curves on all the edges make it very comfortable to hold. And finally, the display. Now this here is an amazing OLED panel. Watching movies and all is definitely going to be great here. But the only gripe I have is that this here is not a high refresh rate display. It kind of sucks. Right now you don't get that, especially with smartphones as low as 20,000 having high refresh rate displays. I think this should definitely have. Other than that, this here is an amazing display. Now these are the 5 main things that I look out for when, you know, recommending a smartphone to someone, and you know, the 5 pillars check very well. But the main thing that spices all this up is the price. So for 66,000 rupees, getting this here is an amazing deal. Now this is with respect to all those who want to upgrade to an iPhone. Now, of course, for much lower prices, you get much better value smartphones from Android under 50,000 that will provide you great value for money. But this is just with respect to iPhones. If you want an iPhone and you have something like the iPhone 12 and before, then the iPhone 15 is an amazing option that you should look out for. So thank you for watching, and this here is Suban signing off once again. Catch you later.